the corners, I called you. I said you are my servant. I have chosen you and I have not rejected you. Now siza ku verse 10.
Come on.
So do not fear.
Come on now.
For I am with you. Do not be dismayed. For I am your God. I will strengthen you. I will help you. I will uphold you with my righteousness. It is name I am to pass my right. God has done me. A man that it is so fortunate that singabantu abazana noThixo. uThixo ke sive ebazali bethu kodwa wayenzileba ngoba azali nathi we submitted ourselves to God. So uthi in all of it I took you from the ends of the earth. It is so sad or it's so fortunate kuba sazana noThixo ukuthi in the midst of all the calamities and all the confusion and the depression, uThixo is here to confirm and affirm us, Yobana. I knew you. I have chosen you. I chose you. It is not by default that when you are here, I will strengthen you. I will uphold you. And I will not only uphold you, but with my righteous right hand. Because the son that summons no mandla. The son that summons no more. So uThixo is here to confirm. Shiloh Friday. God is here to say, we are opening at 2026 because we are going into our spaces. We have depression, we have anxiety. But uThixo namhlanje uthi uzungalibali. Now if you read from verse 9 to verse 10, it's actually 9 times where God says, I, meaning God, I as God, I have chosen you. I will strengthen you, uThixo choice. So we should not fear. Because when 2026 hits us, you are here to confirm that so that you don't forget that He is God. He is the creator of heaven and earth. Now what we need to do, the application now is submit yourself to God. Let God help you. I will help. I will strengthen you. He's a God that sustains. Let Him be God. He will sustain you.